Hey everybody, it's Travis with Devil Dog Digital. And this video is for all my veteran brothers and sisters out there. Um, if you have a small business and you have been, looking to integrate AI into your business, and you have been wondering how you are going to get that accomplished without having to learn a new technology and all of that type of stuff. Well, I have, over the past 18 months, I have built a platform. It's a CRM and an AI platform with, I currently have 8 AI assistants that are pre-built in there, and I can have it set up for about 16 different types of businesses right now, which would completely automate your current business and allow you to spend more time with your families, and spend more time on the things that you like to do, or spend more time growing your business instead of having your business run you around, taking up all of your time. If you do a lot of the admin work yourself in your business, we can automate that. And it doesn't take very much to do that. If you have, your business is spread out among different websites to fulfill your product or service for your clients, we can take a look at what you have and see if we combine all of those into under one system, and then automate everything to make your life much easier. Plus, you automate it, but you're getting rid of all those extra services that you don't need. If you can get them all taken care of in one place, there's no reason to log into 5 or 6 or 7 different websites to accomplish the same thing. But anyway, I have an offer for all a special offer for veterans, and it is $500 off the onboarding and setup fee or setup cost to get your system built on the platform. And basically, it will be, once it's built, it will be for you, and you will have full access to it, and you will build it as, whatever you want to do with it. Obviously, and then there's an ongoing monthly cost of $297 to just basically access to the platform. And it's basically your personal access to the platform. Your only ongoing fees are usage fees for AI, voice AI, SMS text messages, and premium automations and stuff like that. But those costs are relatively low. And they're on a usage basis, not on a total basis. So you're only charged for those things as you use them. So plus we have, depending on what industry you're in, websites in there, funnel pages, but a booking AI assistant that books your appointments for you, fills your calendar, and also gives reminders to your potential clients. So it does follow-up reminders all the way up to 30 minutes before your appointment. So this is going to really help people, or encourage people to show up for your appointments, which obviously you're going to make more money. The more people you talk to, the more money you make, and the more sales you make. So, and we also have an automation, an AI assistant that is a missed call text back. So if someone calls your phone and they hang up, some people are impatient, right? Your AI assistant will give them a call back or send them a text message back and just let them know that, sorry, you missed your call. You missed their call, and you're reaching out to them to bring them back in, so the AI can call them. You can send them a text message, or you can have your AI assistant call them and qualify them and book an appointment for you. That's just a little bit of it. It's even better than that, like I said, fully automated. So you don't have to build it all yourself. It's already built for you. All you have to do is change things into your brand voice is pretty much what your job is going to be. We do have a setup service that we can do it completely for you. And then all you got to do is pay the ongoing monthly access for the software. But we can definitely build out your whole system for you, so you don't have to. That's an extra cost to completely build it out for you, but we can definitely do that. However, if you have custom automations that are complex and very labor intensive, then we do have custom services also for special cases, building different AIs, because some of them can get quite complex, and the ones I have are very good, but they're going to allow you to automate pretty much all of your business for you. And these are some of the best AIs out there. The software platform is one of the biggest, one of the most used AI platforms out there in the CRM world today. So it's and the developers are always upgrading it, and they are just as excited to advance this technology and make it better all the time. So they're always testing new things. So as these new technologies or everything's upgraded, we push those updates right through to you also. But just giving you a way to get in the AI for your business, if you don't adapt, you're not going to overcome, because AI is not coming. AI is already here, and it's not going anywhere. And if you do not keep up with technology this time, you're going to have a hard time being found. It's just everybody's going to AI searches. So if you don't show up in the AI search, no one's going to find you, because no one's going to the internet per se anymore. It's still beneficial to have a website, obviously. But with all the different websites, we can cover all of your contact points under one system and respond immediately to all of those contact points, all over social media. You got your, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Google business pages there, and all kinds of WhatsApp, or depending on how they come in contact with your business, the AI takes over the conversation at all of those contact points and gets them in the conversation immediately, so you are not losing people because it took you too long to get back to them. And that's what happens with being a small business sometimes, because you're out working during the day, out in the field at your clients' locations, and then you have to come home at night and do all the catch-up work. Well, if you automate it all, you can have AI assistants doing all that work during the day for you while you're gone. 24/7, 365, and AIs never call in sick. And one thing too, if one thing you might ask is, how do they sound? These are very, very human-like AIs, and they sound amazing. So just get in contact with me, Travis, at devilDogDigital.ai, or visit devilDogDigital.ai and book an appointment with me, and we can get on the phone and we can talk about your business, or you can just go right to the website and choose whatever package you want, and we can, once I see that come through, we can get you set up, and then you can have one of your people or yourself, if you're a DIY business owner, you can get in there and start personalizing and branding your new AI system, so it's all in your brand voice. And you can name your AI assistants, pick out your voices, all that type of stuff. Everything's in there, and everything's got tutorials, so every step of the way, you're kind of having your hand held while you build that yourself. And like I said, we do have a service where we can do it all for you. But use coupon code Founder50 or Founder 500. Sorry, and because I just started launching the software access part of it, because I do custom work for businesses, but I want to allow smaller businesses that are looking to get their foot in the door with AI. This system is going to give you even more than that. I mean, you're going to have one of the best systems out there that you can put together yourself and grow your business and run your business on an amazing platform. But like I said, just get a hold of me, Travis at Devil Dog Digital, and we'll talk to you soon. Semper Fi.